In our preaching, we meet someone who knows someone, and then someone said, as you are beginning leadership, as you are beginning something, you need a blessing from this man. And I believe there are many people. He said, you need the blessing from this man. So we got a call, we got invitation, they sent a plane and said, come. Then we flew to Zimbabwe. I think that was the second week when Dr. Mnangagwa was in office. And said, they've told me I need this man to come and bless us. I think the time I was with Madame, Pastor Arthur. On our way going, we saw 77 written on the wall. I'm not sharing with you because these are files of pictures that I've not shown anywhere. It's not for everyone. But I'm just want to show you. Once there is a call of God upon it, I want that picture, please. There is a reason why I'm sharing this. I'm not going to say it again. As we were traveling, taking off from Entebbe, I looked in the window, and behold, a letter 77 is written. Of course, I yell to people, take a picture, take a picture. Because sometimes people, because when you are with people who least understand your call, they wait until you tell them what to do. And clouds don't wait for people to fix on the lens and take it out. There we are. So we arrived in Zimbabwe. We flew in and flew out. And we met His Excellency Dr. Mnangagwa. What is the picture? I told you to prepare those pictures already. Has he got it? He's still struggling, huh? I'm telling you. Because at the beginning I told those guys to get those pictures set. But I think this proves what I'm talking about.